Hey everybody, welcome back to Peak State Mathematics. We're going to turn up the speakers, get the energy flowing so we can learn in peak state. Let's go!
We're taking a look at different types of symmetry today as we continue along in our transformations week. So we've got line symmetry, which basically means if you draw a line and you fold this image over, it's going to be the same on both sides of this line. It's kind of like a reflection. So think about anytime I can draw a line and it looks the same on both sides, like a human's face or like a butterfly, all those things have line symmetry. Point symmetry means that you've got a point somewhere in that object that if you spin 180 degrees around that point, it's going to land on its exact same self. Right? So think about this as a 180 degree rotation and that it's the same. Right? The last one is, well, what if I don't rotate a full 180 degrees? What if I only rotate 30 degrees, 60 degrees, something like that? Well, that would be rotational symmetry. Right? So maybe we're looking at something like a star here, and I rotated 180, it doesn't land on itself, so it wouldn't have point symmetry. However, I see that it does have rotational symmetry because it's going to land on itself every fifth of the way around this. Let's take a look at a couple of examples now and fast forward. You want to identify how many of each type of symmetry each object's got. Here we go.
Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching this video lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something. Please hit subscribe so you have access to all of our video lessons. And if you want live, free tutoring with me every single Monday, check out peakstatemathematics.com and sign up for that. Until next time, remember, always learn in a peak state.